Imagine your wealth outliving you, not just for one generation, but three. Picture this: your family's wealth flourishing not just in your lifetime, but for generations to come. In Asian tradition, true prosperity isn't measured by what you accumulate today, but by what endures tomorrow. Yet history shows 89% of family fortunes vanish by the third generation, often because of invisible energy drains in their very homes. That's where our wealth legacy Feng Shui planning makes the difference. At mjc-fs.com, we use 20-year destiny cycle alignment and AI-driven successor potential analysis. Consider this. One of our clients' heirs avoided a devastating $200 million inheritance tax disaster simply by reorienting their estate's main entrance before transfer. This isn't superstition, it's strategic energy architecture, because real legacy isn't just written in wills, it's built into the very walls your family calls home. Secure your family's energy blueprint today at your online Feng Shui master, mjc-fs.com.